Hello everyone, Asir here. So in this video I will be sharing the installation and getting started with Vibium. So Vibium has been recently released by Jason Huggins, who is the creator of Selenium. So let's get started with Vibium installation. It is a browser automation designed specifically for the era of AI agents. Okay, so first of all, let's check if we have Node installed or not. Yes, I have Node installed and the version is 22 and the minimum is 18. Okay, so if you do not have Node JS already installed, the guide has been given here. You can, for Windows you can go here, for Mac OS you can use these commands, and for Linux you can use this. Okay, and create a project folder. Okay, now let me create a folder here. I will call it as Vibium _101. Perfect. Drag and drop to the VS Code. Yes. Okay, so now we do not have anything. We are already inside the folder that we created, so no need of this one. Let's initialize the npm, and npm has been initialized. We got the package.json file. Now let's install Vibium. So here is the command to install Vibium. Perfect. The Vibium package has been installed and the dependency has been added to the package.json, as you can see. Now let's create a script. Either you can use this or you can use the new item command. I will use the GUI here, hello.js, and let's copy the script and paste it here. So this is the script provided by the documentation itself. So now let's run the script. Let's see if we are able to run it. So first time it will ask for permission. The clicker.exe is the core engine of the whole Vibium. Let's allow this one. The objective was here to a script that opens a browser, visit a website, takes a screenshot and clicks a link. Okay, perfect. I think that's done, right? So it visited this website, took a screenshot, which is present here, taken the screenshot, and then it found a link there which is present in the example.com site, and then it did quit the browser. Perfect. So in the next video, let's see how do we connect Vibium to any of the MCP clients, either with Claude or either with Copilot. Thanks for watching.